Hi, this is just a quick video on how to review your caseload. Once you log in on Edplan, you can go to the Students tab. Then you select your school. You can click on straight to view your caseload and you will see your caseload. We're going to pretend that this is my caseload. You click on Export and it will give you an Excel document. Once you open this document, you can manipulate the columns to modify them however best work for you and for your organizational skills. Then you can just copy and paste this information into a Google Doc. In here, I have a format that helps me organize my schedule. So I copy pasted in here, continue to have the columns of grade, name, disability, and setting. And then I add all the services that my students are receiving, including the times of the week. This helps me create my schedule.